We're at the garage with the boys. We're doing some work on the E36 today. Putting the new steering wheel in and fixing a little brake line leak. Nothing too crazy, but going step by step. And this is another step. Finally got it down here. Took it on its longest drive today, over an hour. Car did great mechanically, so just gonna tighten up these little things, normal things, wear and tear stuff, and should be good. Is it a plug or something? Yeah, definitely something. Another screw somewhere?
Yeah, there's only two. There's four right here.
Yeah, no, but I don't know if those would even, that would probably take this off.
I need a flat head. You see the drawer? Same drawer that you did?
Yeah, the one next to it. This thing's fucking heavy, bro. Havens. Yo, that's weight reduction already started. Yeah, feel how heavy this is. Pretty thick. Yeah, it's pretty thick though. Weight reduction. Speed. Hell no. Shit, that whole setup don't even weigh that much. Got no airbags no more. Yeah. Doing some tint on this Tesla, getting it right. Tight my boy with yeah, I'll come in. I gotta hold the steering wheel. Yeah. Yeah. We don't need no breaker bar. Is that a breaker bar, low key?
No.
Okay. And just after some tweakage, wheel is out. There we go, baby. Oh. I'm losing shit. Hopefully I don't need this. Alright, old wheel is out. New wheel's gonna go away. Alright.
Oh, here you go.
Just over here. Getting these fucking
Some
screws.
chopped cheese, you gotta put that in there. You gotta get the chopped cheese.
Damn! He dropped the lettuce in the... We're almost done here. I'm just gonna have an airbag light, but we gotta just do a little more research on making the airbag delete little setup on there. There's a way to do it. We saw it already online, but we ain't fucking with it right now. Looks simple enough, but where's the keys at? Yeah. On the seat.
still got to tighten the 13, but show that shit in there. Give it some loops. That's not working out.
Got the steering wheel in. Some reason the horn's not working now. We had it working. I think this little thing broke, to be honest. I'm gonna hit up Renown, see if I can get another one. But otherwise, it's in. Looks fucking great.
Damn,
It'll be
bro.
manual soon.
Damn.
Rev it. Go ahead. And I got the ASC button so you can take traction control off.
Which one?
Right here, ASC traction control comes off. And then I got a hi-fi stereo button. When you push that button, the fucking bass gets louder and shit.
We need classic, bro.
Yo, that fucking steering wheel changed it big time. That looks way better with that steering wheel in there.
Yo, turn the wheel. No, nothing. No, nothing. Yo, it's not electronic either. Like on these cars. No, that's what I'm saying. Classic cars is way better. You ain't got to worry with all that bullshit. Switch up.
Turns with this thing.
You imagine it?
No brakes.
Imagine?
It's gonna be. We're gonna do a first swap on this thing. First swap I've ever done. But it's even fun with the automatic, to be honest. I can't lie, it's fun. Just in third gear, fucking because it's fast. And when you hit it, it goes takes off.
Yo. I hear that thing. Wait.
They want it. They want one, man. Steering wheel's in, and now we're gonna have to try to get this brake line fixed. It has a tiny leak, and you know, I want the car to be able to brake properly when I'm up in Vermont. Leave tomorrow, so hopefully we can get it fixed. But if not, still take it. But I just gotta be, I just gotta drive it the right way. We're all done for tonight. I got the E36 up on the lift, and you see basically everything we need to replace. We're not going to be able to fix the brake line tonight. We got to order a replacement brake line, but other than that, man, the car is, like I was saying, my fucking CarPlay connected to the phone. But all the stuff that needs to be replaced is stuff that I was going to replace anyway, suspension-wise and brake-wise and things like that. So should be a fun project. The guys are going to help me with it, and I'm going to go home, make a list, do a little research, find the parts I need, and we should be all set.